Hi friends! Today we're going to keep on working with our place value discs. Remember, these place value discs are round and they stand for 10, 100, or 1. When I'm working with my place value discs, I want to make sure that they're really neat. So if I'm placing my ones, I want to make sure that there's one on top of the other. This is the same way for when you draw it. Count with me as I count my 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look how neat they are. There's 5 on each side. Now that I have 10, what should I do next? I'm going to bundle, right? But since I don't have my popsicle sticks, I'm just going to take these 10 ones and I'm going to put one group of 10, just like that. Now let's make 10 tens. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now that I have 10 tens, what should I switch it out to? That's right, I should switch out my 10 tens to 1 100. Let's keep going. We're going to count by hundreds, and I'm going to add a little place right here. That'll be my thousands. So we've got 100, 200, count with me, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. And now that we're at 1,000, what can I replace my 10 hundreds with? That's right, I can replace them with 1,000. Just like that. We've been counting from one 3-digit number to another 3-digit number. We've been counting from one 3-digit number to another 3-digit number. So today we're going to count from 186 to 300. So let me make 186 first. Count with me. 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have 186. I need to get to the next 10. How many do I need to get to the next 10? How many ones do I need to get to the next 10? If I'm at 186. That's right, I need 4 more ones. Now I'm at 190. If I'm at 190, how many groups of 10 do I need to get to 200? I've got my 10 ones here, so I'm going to make that a 10 right here. So I'm at 190. How many 10s do I need to get to 200? That's right, I need one more group of 10. So I'm going to take these, and I'm going to make it 100. So now I have 200. How many hundreds do I need to get to 300? One more 100, that's right. So let's write exactly what we just did. We're at 186, 187, 188, 189, 190. Then we counted by tens to 200. Then we counted by hundreds to 300. If we look at these, I can see I counted by ones until I had a 0 in the ones place. That was my next 10. 9 tens was my next 10. Then I counted by tens until I had a 0 in the tens place. Then you would keep on counting by hundreds until you had a 0 in the hundreds place. So let's do one more. Let's pretend that I am at the number 246. How many would I need to get to the next 10? Remember, the next 10 means that there's a 0 in the ones place. So how many would I need to count on? Think in your brain to get to 250. That's right, I would need to count on 4 ones. So 247, 248, 249, 250. And this 0 in the ones place tells me that I've made my benchmark number, and now I can start counting by tens. And then you could count by tens until you had a 0 in the tens place. What about 582? How many ones would you have to count on to get to the next 10? What's the next 10? The next 10 is 590. So how many ones would you need to go before you got to 590? If you said 8 ones, you'd be correct. So you had 582, 583, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So you had 8 ones to get to your next group of 10. And I know that's my next group of 10 because I have a 0 in the ones place. And I'm at my next group of 10 here. For your work today, you're going to be taking a quiz where you are going to be looking at some different numbers with place value discs, and you're going to be counting on with ones, tens, or hundreds. Have fun!